Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Humna Mustafa. I've been a practicing artist for the past 30 or so years. I recently started creating motivational and meditative videos of my own work with the intention and desire to make people understand how powerful the act of creating art is, and in some way give them a breather or a moment where they can be present, enjoy something visually, allow themselves to just listen and feel connected to their inner being. I hope you enjoy the videos that I create. Don't forget to subscribe at the end if you like them. Do share them with friends and family who you feel could benefit from them. And I'd love to hear your thoughts about how you feel my work looks, or if there's anything you'd like to see more of or hear me speak about. Do let me know. And this is a video about the intentions behind our actions. I really hope you enjoy it. We always want the best for our loved ones. And so day after day, we commit to doing all that is possible for their happiness. At times, due to our own understanding and life experiences, the intentions behind our actions might be great, but aren't great for those we love. As a culture or a society, we have imposed our needs onto each other in a way that we no more do anything based on our own needs, but to perform and act based on what would make others happy, loved, or content. It's surely beautiful way of life for some. But then why does it feel so hollow, empty, and unsatisfying? The needs of others become our needs, as our needs faded away into nothingness, in the hope that one day there will be a time that our own needs will matter. For years, we all wish for someone to see us the way we see ourselves. We pray day and night for courage, strength, and patience to lower our needs, to lower our voice, be told to lower our gaze, and in all, just lower ourselves. And we all do it. We all know we do it in the best way we can. What happens in the process is we don't even realize, but we are feeding our own selves, our mind, the idea or the concept that we are weak and we need to be saved. So we sit there waiting, and we wait with hope. We learn to be happy with the bare minimum. We do all that we can so that we can just wait it out. The truth is, our subconscious mind will only take it till it starts hurting your soul. And once your soul wakes up, it knows exactly what you need, when you need it, and how you're going to achieve and stand up to get it. It knows your needs, and they no more can be put away on a shelf or be ignored or be faded, or you there comes a point you cannot lower your voice, and it breaks you. We think it is breaking, but at some level you are waking up. When this happens, we let go. We have to softly wash away ourselves over and over again. In that moment, know that you are rising without fear. You are rising alone. For you rise, for there is no other option. No other option to leave behind the need of others and to acknowledge your own being. To embrace your needs and hold nothing against anyone or anything. Just believe their intentions were out of love, for they understand love the way they choose to, not the love you needed. Forgive yourself and remember you are love, and that is all you have to give, do, and be. Thank you for watching. With love, always.